Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at a pair of wireless IP cameras from Conico. This was very kindly sent out to me by Conico. Link in the description box below if you want to pick these up. You could either get a single camera in white, two cameras in white, I have here 4 cameras in white, or 2 cameras in grey. I'll link them down below if you want to pick these up. Before we start, if this video helps you out, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. First thing, a quick look at the packaging. Conico wireless IP camera. They're both 1080p. You download the app. 2 megapixel HD, two-way audio, motion detection, sound detection. This side is letting us know the usage: home, baby care, elderly care, or pet care. High definition, which is 1080p HD. Easy mobile Wi-Fi setup. They only run on the 2.4 gigahertz network. 32 feet clear night vision at dark condition, smart alerts to your mobile, two-way audio, remote control and view. This side has got some more specs, like built-in microphone and stuff. We already know that. Email as well if you need to contact them. I'll take everything out, then we'll have a closer look. Okay, so I've taken everything out. I will only be powering one camera on because they're both exactly the same. Inside this one, we've got some Get Extra 6 months extended warranty. I have a QR code there. Conico warranty card. Instruction manual. And inside the instruction manual, we have a QR code to download the app. You could either scan that or go directly to the App Store or Google Play and download the app. That's what I've done. The app you'll need to download is the MIPC app. I'll walk you through the app as well. 2 power bricks, 2 micro USB cables, screws and wall plugs, and then 2 cameras. We'll just have a look at one because the cameras are exactly the same. The base rotates at 360 degrees and the camera goes up and down to 130 degrees. At the bottom, if you get a coin, you could remove that. You're mounting it and you can put it back on. These cameras do have a lot of flexibility to them. Quality seems decent as well. So on this side where I've got it covered, that's where the QR code is and the serial number. On this side, just model number and stuff. At the back we have a speaker, micro USB port there. At the top, it's got a reset button and a micro SD card. It doesn't come with a micro SD card. It supports up to 128 GB micro SD card. You also have the cloud storage option, but that's a paid subscription. So if you don't want to pay for the cloud storage, you can use a micro SD card. At the front, that's the IR sensor. That's the lens. If I just take that off, it has a 150 degree lens, and there's the motion sensor. This is Conico there. I've already downloaded the app. I had to create an account with them because it's my first time using it. So what I'll do is I'll get my phone, we'll power the camera on and we'll pair it up to the app. I forgot to mention the length on the cable is just under 6 foot. Yeah, MIPC. Connect the camera. It's a fixed camera. Allow. Need to scan the QR code. It's come up, there's a number on it. Add it. I'll quickly put my password in off camera. Please adjust the speaker of the mobile phone during configuration and place it 10 centimeters. Okay. Okay. While that's connecting, just to point out, I do have an SD card here, micro SD card, a 32 GB one. I'll be inserting that. That was really quick. I did successfully. Okay. There we are, we have a live feed. If I just click on that. That was really quick. Where you could see that. That's audio. I actually leave that muted because it gives feedback. Brightness, contrast, saturation and stuff, you could control that from here. Close that. HD 1080p, that will flip the screen around, of course. Record, stop it. The video has been saved to my album. You could also take a snapshot. The microphone, need to obtain permission before using microphone. Agree, allow. Long press to talk. I don't want to do that at the moment, so I'll move on. That's a siren. Okay, at the bottom here, cloud storage. If I go to the SD card storage, so at the top here, that's the calendar. There's no footage at the moment, but if there was, you could play it back from here. And we have more settings here. I like this. I haven't seen an app with this interface before. It's about, date, time, upgrade, password, notification, record. Continuous recording. Video will be recorded to an SD card continuously after option is enabled. So it'll have loop recording, it'll record, and once it gets full, it will carry on recorded. I think on a 64 GB, you'll be able to get around 7 days of continuous recording. Motion detection, we could set that up as well. Sound detection, human detection. It is a bit slowed up when you go back. Ethernet, that's the network information, Wi-Fi. Image, flip screen. If you were to mount the camera upside down, you could flip the image. There's more options. Sound, frequency, motion, indicator light. That's good. You could turn the indicator off. So if you've got the camera mounted near a window, like facing outside towards your garden or your car, you could turn the indicator off. If I just move my hand, there's no delay. It's really quick, that. Just move the camera around, look at that. There's no lag. Really good. Okay, let's have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage. My overall thoughts, let's get the negative out the way first, because it's just one. For me, the app is a bit slow. It's not a deal breaker. If this is going to be your first time using an app with the camera, it won't bother you. It's just me, because I've used a lot of different apps. Setting the camera up is straightforward. The camera has good image quality. The motion detection works really well. The lag is hardly noticeable. Plenty of flexibility when mounting the camera. You get 2 storage options, which is a plus. Link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I hope I covered everything. If I missed something, ask me in the comment section below. If you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.